Hey y'all, good morning y'all. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Layla Cherie. Period. It is the 4th of July. Y'all know I don't give a fuck about holidays, especially this one. That's number one. So today I'm up ready. I got on my clothes. Y'all put this whole outfit together in my head and I don't have the shoes. The shoes is at the nigga house, so I gotta wear my sixes something. I don't fucking know what them shoes called, but I'll show y'all later. So first I'm gonna go see my friend. I was gonna go to the beauty supply, but I don't want to. And I may do what I could with what I got. Yeah, so I'm gonna go see my friend. Hopefully that goes as planned, because every other time that shit did not go as planned. And I know when she get in the car with me, we're gonna go see my other friend probably. And then I'm gonna spend some time with my family because they barbecuing. And then I'm gonna see my man because he don't feel good today. He just had a bad day yesterday, so I'm gonna see him later. Yeah. And I'm just let y'all spend the day with me because I need to get back on my shit. Y'all, I have not been feeling good. That's all it's been like. Every time I'm like, I got 2 vlogs that I'm posting before this one. Or maybe, because I need this one to come out quick. But yeah, I haven't been feeling good. Then the first time it was like some other shit. Y'all know I don't be sleeping, so I got some sleep medicine. That shit had me slumped and irritated 24/7. So yeah. But y'all like my hair? I was gonna vlog when I got my hair done, but I wasn't feeling good then either. I wasn't feeling good then either, y'all. So I was like, I'm not gonna force this vlog. And then the time had got pushed back and I had to re-dye my hair. It would have been a good vlog, but I wasn't feeling good. Yeah. Now I'm like 60%, y'all. Feeling better. Probably like 70. Feeling better. Yeah. So I'll see y'all when I'm in the car. Y'all look at the liar. Why you so tatted? You a mama. Why the fuck you so tatted?
I'm so grown. Tell them what we're finna do.
Okay, y'all. So we finna go to sleep. We finna go see our other friend.
You know, she finna drive me around.
You got me fucked up. Then what else? Then hopefully somebody has some fucking barbecue done, cause
ain't nobody got nothing done.
Are they even black for real? Why the fuck they starting to cook so late? They already started cooking?
Barely. I walked in there, you know, you're supposed to smell like barbecue. I smell baked beans.
I'm like, why I let this tea bag? You
useless as fuck.
You useless as fuck.
I'm edgy, girl. I'm edgy. I'm edgy for real. I supposed to have on the brace. You don't believe me, do you? Oh my gosh. Who be driving you around?
In my car? Nobody else.
Okay.
I was lying.
Interesting.
This motherfucker barely moving unless Willow with me.
So excited.
You miss me?
Sit down.
Now let's see again. You missed me? Just only a little bit. Let's go and get some new friends right
Show them where we at.
Same place I come 30 times a month. Shit. I don't even post myself eating seafood no more.
said them folks need to sponsor you.
Ooh, I need to call this man so I can put some gas in my car.
Is it? That's very great. That's a little protector.
Yeah, that's a protector. Y'all, we here. We finna go see our other friend. I don't know if I'm real cool while I'm in there. I'm shy.
I know it's gonna be cold.
I don't want to be cold in there unless you're at the back or something. Unless you want to stay at the back. Shit, we naked
We finna sit in
anyway.
here.
Say hey right now.
I look right. You look white. Oreo cookie. My baby didn't die.
Nothing a Pasta Princess, period. You finna cry? Bitch, please. Get that. Well, y'all, her barbecue done. My barbecue still ain't done. So, shit, I don't know.
It wasn't by choice, I got him. Should have by
I was
force.
vlogging.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
I already
Baby,
ate.
better keep them babies over there.
Okay, y'all, now we outside. They finna pop some fireworks. These shoes that I hate to wear, y'all. Cause my shoes at that man. My phone in the house, so I don't know what time it is.
I'm telling you, this is crazy. They gonna push you. Why you pushing?
Des, you better open your eyes. Okay, so y'all, I'm still here. I'm sitting in my car, letting my phone get a little charge because I'm trying to get them some time to pop the big fireworks, but they still messing with these kids, like these kids baby fireworks. What time is it? It's 9:09. I'm tired. I'm not even going to see my man anymore. Like, everybody else around popping big fireworks. They still messing with these kids. Come on now. They been popping that little fireworks for a little hour. You got me friend, y'all. Okay, let me go. Let them go. Let them go.
You gotta wait till it stops.
He Lord. I can't do this. Girl.
Leave it alone. Don't.
Get the garbage over.
Oh, that's
Pretty.
what that's.
You want TT?
What's the nail?
You might have
Stiletto. No, they it's stiletto.
I'm just saying, they stiletto.
Because I usually get stiletto, but I want to do something different.
you better watch it.